Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some brown stew chicken, and here are my ingredients that I will be using to season the chicken. And I went ahead and I washed my chicken with vinegar and lime, right? And I took off the skin. So here I have 2 tablespoons chicken seasoning, or you can use all purpose, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, half teaspoon salt or add salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon jerk seasoning. And you want to give that a mix. You want to combine everything, and then that's us. And here I'm just showing you the size of my chicken. So like the leg, I cut those in 2, and then the chicken thigh, I cut them in like 3 or 4 depending on the size of the chicken thigh, right? So here I added the powdered seasoning, and I went in with some blended seasoning, about 4 tablespoons of blended seasoning, right? And then you want to go ahead and give that a mix. Mix, and a mix. And then I'm adding the rest of the powdered seasoning. And then, of course, go ahead and mix that up. Get it all over the chicken and set that aside, preferably overnight. Okay, so here are the rest of my ingredients that I will be using to finish chef up this amazingly delicious pot, right? So I'm preheating my oil. Well, not so much preheat, but the oil is slightly hot, and then I added the sugar, 3 to 4 tablespoons of dark brown sugar, and then I want to caramelize it. So right here it was almost perfect, but the around the edge the sugar wasn't melted, so I just kind of try to mix it up, right? And here it is, perfect. So Vibes fam, when you add the chicken, then allow it to get brown on that side, and then flip it over. And then when you flip it over, you leave it for some more minutes, maybe 5 or 6 minutes. The fire is on medium, by the way, and it was on low when we were melting the sugar, when we were caramelizing the sugar, right? So yeah, go ahead and turn these over. So as I said, 5 minutes. Now I'm adding some ginger. That is 1.5 tablespoons of ginger. And then I want to get it in the middle. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover this for 10 minutes. Don't add anything to it except the ginger. 10 minutes, and then that's you. So Vibes fam, this is it after 10 minutes. I did not add any liquid or anything. That is the natural juices, and it smells amazing. So here I'm going to add about 1 cup of chicken stock. You can just add water, it is fine. So move the chicken over to the side, add the chicken stock. I'm maximizing on flavor, Vibes fam, but you can use water. You don't have to use chicken stock, but I'm telling you, it tastes really good. Here I'm adding some pimento seed, thyme, 1 large onion chopped up, green sweet pepper, orange and red, and of course some pepper flakes because I didn't have any Scotch bonnet pepper. And you want to go ahead and mix that up, and I'm going to cover this for 20 minutes. So when I mix up everything, right, combine all the ingredients, get those all up on the chicken, then I'm going to cover it for 20 minutes. Just gorgeous. So here I'm adding my carrot and some scallion, and go ahead and mix that up, and then I'm gonna cover this and leave it for 5 minutes, and then that is us. Just 5 minutes. So vibe some no browning. I didn't add any browning. So I added roughly maybe half cup of ketchup, right? About half cup of ketchup, yeah. And go ahead and mix that up, and remember we are going to leave it for 5 minutes. Make sure taste it and see if it need anything else, any more salt or anything else, right? But just gorgeous. So this is it, Vibes fam. 5 minutes later, and this is us. Go ahead and mix it up. Yeah, I wanted you to see the bubblation before I went ahead and mix it up. But yeah, go ahead and mix it up. And this is us, Vibes fam. As I said, taste it and make sure everything is good. Don't underestimate my pepper flakes. They are hot, but also I have my babies eating this. And Vibes fam, here we have it. Unu run come, everybody run come. Grab somebody, grab them by the hand, grab them by the shirt, grab them by the collar, grab them by the tail. Grab somebody and bring them over here. So let me show you this, let me show you this, let me show you this niceness. Come and check out this niceness. Vibes fam, this chicken is mwah, 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 magnifico, magnificento. Like, it is so delicious, like so delicious. If you've never tried your brown stew chicken this way, please try it. Yes, I didn't use any browning. I just used the I just caramelized the brown sugar and then use that to brown the chicken. Yes, you don't have to use you don't have to do it this way. You can use the browning and it is perfectly fine. It really doesn't matter. But trust and believe, using the sugar as the browning, yes, it does something extra to it, right? Give it a little zhuzh, a little yes. So Vibe Sam, go ahead and please like this video. It helps my channel when you click the like button, and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. But yeah, Vibe Sam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Go ahead and follow me over on Instagram. Please take care of your beautiful self. God bless you.